Howdy. In this video, you will learn on how to view new quizzes analytics and regrading options in new quizzes. In this video, we will talk specifically about the quiz and item analysis. The quiz and item analysis report includes statistics for the entire assessment and individual items. Please note that it may take up to 24 hours for an assessment information to display in new quizzes reports. So let's get started. In course navigation, click the quizzes link. From here, you will need to click the title of an assessment that you built using new quizzes, such as this one. To open new quizzes from an existing assessment, click the Build button. After it loads, click the Reports tab and choose the quiz and item analysis. The quiz and item analysis report includes two sections: the quiz analysis and also the item analysis. The quiz analysis includes statistics for overall assessment scores. These statistics include all students who have taken the assessment. In the item analysis section, you can view statistics for specific questions in an assessment, such as the difficulty index, where it shows how hard it is to answer the questions correctly, the discrimination index, where it measures how well question can tell the difference between students who do well on an exam and those who do not, RPB, which is the point biserial correlation coefficient, if any, and the mean earned score, which displays average point score. You can also click the down arrow to view the respondents, the total respondents for a particular answer choices, and also the bar graph. After you have reviewed the item analysis, you as an instructor can make the decision whether you want to regrade the quiz questions. Regrading allows you to change the correct answer or point value for a question. To do this, you'll have to click the Moderate tab and click Attempt for a particular students. Regrading only applies to a completed submission. Thus, if all students will be affected by the regrade, please wait for all submissions before regrading. To regrade, you will have to find the question, such as this one, and click Regrade. From here, you can choose the right answer and click Regrade. You will be given 4 different choices, such as awards points for correct answers only, awards point for both current and previous answers, awards point for any submitted answers, or give everyone full credit. Once you choose the right options that you want to do for this particular quiz questions, you can click Regrade. Once you do that, Canvas will show you the original score and also the regraded score. Once you're done regrading, you can click back to Moderate and hit Return to go back to the quizzes main menu. Thank you.